Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making this Trader Joe's Chao frozen snack in the air fryer. Chao is a Vietnamese snack. It's a fried shrimp and vegetables on a sugarcane skewer. So the stick that you see, it's actually a sugarcane. They're so delicious, and air fryer is perfect for making them so crispy. No need to defrost, they'll be cooking them straight from frozen. Let's take out the air fryer basket and let's just put Chao in the air fryer basket in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 9 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious Chao tam. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. So let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good they look. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. They're so delicious. See, they're fully cooked inside, crispy on the outside, so flavorful and moist on the inside. They're perfectly seasoned, so full of flavor. If you've never tried Chao tam, you just gotta give it a try. They're so delicious. And one thing is about those sugarcane sticks, once you're done eating them, you can suck on it and it has this sweet flavor, the sugarcane. It's really a nice touch. Try it, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!